For adding Firebase with your Flutter app, firstly open any browser. Go to console.firebase.google.com. Click on Add Project. Give your project a name and click on Continue. Disable this Google Analytics and click on Create Project. After loading time, click Continue. Select this Android icon and open your IDE. Now go to your app level build gradle and search your project name. Copy this project name and go to your Firebase console and paste it in this field. Now click on Register App. Download this Google service.json and open your download folder, copy it, paste it on app directory. Now click Next, select this Groovy option and copy this plugin. Open your project level Gradle file. Paste it on dependency section. Now don't leave it like this. In this case, start by writing class path, then copy the entire quoted section and paste it here. Replace the dot with a colon and specify the version inside the question mark. Remove this previous line. In my case, I got an error using this version. That's why I am replacing it with another version. Back in the Firebase console, scroll a bit down, copy the Google Services plugin. Now open app level build gradle and paste it on the plugin section. Make sure you have all these plugins. Now click Next, click Continue to Console. From pub.dev, copy any Firebase dependencies you need. In my case, I am using Firebase core. Now open pubspec.yml and paste this on dependency section. Click pubget to change the dependency. Now open main file. Make main function asynchronous using async keyword. Paste these two lines inside the main function and import the necessary package. Now run this app. If everything is set up correctly, your app should run smoothly. In the next tutorial, I will show how to store data on Firebase.